What if I told you that artificial intelligence is already making decisions about your life, your job, your entertainment, even your love life, without you even realizing it? Sounds like a Black Mirror episode, right? But this isn't fiction. This is now. From Google Maps predicting traffic to Netflix knowing your guilty pleasures, AI is everywhere, and it's not slowing down. Welcome to WhisperTech, and here we don't just talk tech. We whisper insights into your digital future. If you've ever wondered what the hype around AI is all about, you're exactly where you need to be. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand AI. You'll start seeing the world through its eyes. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence. Two words that have gone from science fiction to everyday reality. But let's clear the fog. AI isn't just about killer robots or Jarvis from Iron Man. It's basically machines learning to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. The journey began with simple algorithms. Then came machine learning, where computers learned patterns. And now, we're in the age of deep learning and generative AI. It's not just learning, it's creating. Remember when your phone autocorrected, "I'm in a meeting," to "I'm in a meeting"? Yeah, AI's still learning. Be gentle with it. But jokes aside, AI's progress is exponential. And that brings us to the real question. What can it do for you? Think AI is far away from you. Think again. It's in your phone's keyboard, predicting what you'll type next. It's behind Google Maps, avoiding traffic jams in Mumbai. It's even in your food delivery app, deciding what restaurants to show you first. Ever wondered why your YouTube homepage feels weirdly accurate? That's AI studying your habits better than your best friend ever could. But it's not just about convenience. It's about control. Because AI doesn't just follow your choices, it influences them. AI is also changing how we work. In India alone, automation could affect over 60% of formal sector jobs in the next decade. But here's the plot twist. It's not just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. From AI ethics consultants to prompt engineers, careers we hadn't imagined are now real. So the question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, can I learn to work with it? And trust me, those who do might earn more than engineers and coders. More on that in a moment. Imagine a doctor who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can diagnose cancer in seconds. That's AI in healthcare. It's helping predict diseases, personalize treatments, and even assist in surgeries. In India, startups are using AI to detect diabetic retinopathy and tuberculosis, saving lives in rural areas. Finally, an AI that doesn't just recommend diet plans, it actually helps detect if you ignore them. The impact, life-changing, and yet, there's a catch. Our eye is powerful, but power without control is dangerous. Biases in algorithms, surveillance, misinformation. AI can amplify existing problems if we're not careful. So what's the solution? Let's talk about the future and your role in it. The future of AI in India isn't just about big tech. It's about you. Whether you're a student, content creator, entrepreneur, or just curious, AI is a tool. And like any tool, it depends on the hands that wield it. Start small. Explore tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI. Learn how they work. Experiment. Question everything. Because in 5 years, the people who understand AI won't just be users, they'll be leaders. And one of them could be you. Artificial intelligence isn't just about machines. It's about us, how we evolve, how we adapt, and how we choose to lead. So the next time someone says AI is the future, just smile. Because now you know it's already here. Thank you for watching. If this video sparked even one new thought, go ahead and like, leave a comment, and subscribe to WhisperTech. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss when the future whisper again.